Okay, what's up? Welcome to Mantry. We're doing 3-minute bacon kimchi fried rice, little brown rice, leftover kimchi, scallions, garlic, and then you've got the bacon, which we picked up at the market this morning. Cut it really thick, chunky, so it gets extra crispy. So I went to the market and I got some of this farmer's kind of cut bacon, big slabs. You can ask your butcher to cut off thicker slices. That way when we slice it into lardons or big cubes, it'll kind of give good texture to the rice. Okay, we're gonna slice up this bacon. We just want to leave it chunky, so we get nice big crispy chunks of bacon. Bacon into the pan. Start rendering the fat. So the bacon's gonna add like crispy meatiness. It's also gonna add a little bit of fat that we can use to crisp up the rice in. A couple scallions. I like to add whites and the green part as well, the tops. Gonna throw 2 cloves of garlic in there. Now we're gonna throw 1 egg yolk in with the rice. This is gonna help coat it, make it go extra crispy. So you can see the bacon's looking extra crispy, but still gonna continue to have some of that meaty texture as opposed to just crispy bacony bits. Okay, so the bacon's about done. You can put some into a little bowl here. We're gonna reserve the fat, obviously, because we're gonna use that nice bacon fat to fry up the rice. Okay, so egg goes in. Just gonna give this a quick stir around. So once the egg's flash cooked, we'll throw it onto a plate, set it aside, add a touch of pork fat. All this brown stuff on the bottom we're gonna scrape up, and it's gonna be part of the Rice Krispies. Okay, rice is in. You can see those rice bits beginning to brown up. So we'll go in with the garlic and green onion. Now we're gonna add in this kimchi and a bit of the kimchi broth. Kimchi broth's just going to pull some more of those brown bits off the bottom of the pan. Okay, back in with the egg. Back in with the bacon. Give that a mix around so you've got crispy bacon, garlicky scallions, you've got lots and lots of depth and umami from the kimchi, and you've got the crispiness from coating that rice in the egg yolk. Give it one last scrape of the pan. That'll get a lot of the last crispy bits that'll add a lot of texture to it. That looks about good. We'll do a couple more. Fresh green onion over the top. Okay, and that's it. That's a little late night bacon kimchi fried rice. Easy for an after the bar snack. Easy for a Sunday morning. 10 minutes, real quick, beautiful. I'm gonna eat this